What's the meaning of app? App? App?
App. App. The term app is short for application and refers to a software program that can be downloaded and installed on a mobile device or computer. Apps are designed for various purposes, such as entertainment, communication, productivity, and education. They enable users to perform specific tasks or functions, such as playing games, editing photos, checking the weather, sending messages, or managing finances. Apps have become an integral part of modern life, providing convenient and accessible tools for people to engage with technology and enhance their daily experiences.